Hi, it's Mimi Panyo once again. You'll be watching videos on Mimi's cooking. Thank you so much and welcome back to my channel.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have...
So for today, we are going to cook chicken asparagus with Hollandies sauce. Our ingredients is chicken fillet, cooked asparagus, flour, egg, salt, and black pepper. So let's get started. The chicken fillet has already salt and black pepper. We just add the cooked asparagus and close it using your toothpick. And repeat it all. The chicken and asparagus, it will be finished. So after preparing chicken asparagus, dip into the egg mixture. Just mix it well and dip into the flour to be coated all the chicken. After the chicken asparagus coated with some flour, just heat the pan or frying pan and put some oil or cooking oil to fry your chicken asparagus. Just turn the other side to make it brown or slight brown. Then set aside, or you can put on your serving plate. For Hollandies sauce, boiled some water and melted some butter to steam your egg yolks. Set aside your butter after melting. Then put your bowl and add your egg yolks and stir it well for steaming. Then add your melted butter. Mix it again so it will not get sticky. Then add your lemon, salt, and black pepper to taste. If you want fine and nice texture sauce, you can use your blender or hand mixer. It's fine. I use my hand mixer. After that, you can spread on the top of your chicken asparagus and sprinkle some onion and parsley. And that's it. Thank you and have a good day. I hope you like it. Bye.